Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use MakeMyTrip coupons? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for MakeMyTrip. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you go ahead and search for it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on their site. And now in order for you to go ahead and use coupons, let's say I want to get a hotel booking. So I'm going to go ahead and select hotels and then put my location where I want to go in, and your check-in and check-out date, room and guests, how many guests, right? And then you can also put prices per night if you want to. I'm just not going to do that, and click on search. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and select any hotel that you prefer. And finally, once you found the hotel that you want to get, simply click on book this now. And once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where on the right hand side, if you can look closely, there are coupon codes provided by MakeMyTrip itself, and there's also have a coupon code tab where you can simply go ahead and enter your coupon code. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.